Brim hat in open air, with streamers dancing everywhere. The east wind moves with gentle grace, a whispered touch across her space. She walks with calm through shifting skies, with steady breath and open eyes, a sign of care upon her head, a quiet guard where she is led. The wind brings wisdom soft and new, a gentle pull toward clearer view. It guides her steps through change and light, and keeps her centered through the flight. The ribbons lift in sudden flow, a sign of things she needs to know. New thoughts arise on every breeze, like messages the heart can see. She learns to bend and stay aligned with inner truth and open mind. She holds her balance in the sway, and finds her strength along the way. The wind brings wisdom soft and new, a gentle pull toward clearer view. It guides her steps through change and light, and keeps her centered through the She listens when the currents speak, and follows where the insights peak. A blend of earth and sky above, a path of